All right, today I have a Ford Bronco and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights. These are also called the dome lights or the courtesy lights or the reading lights. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and how to turn them off. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the door lights. So when you open the door, the lights do not come on if you choose for them not to come on. But if you do, I'm going to show you how to turn it on so they can come on when you want them to come on when you open the door. But before I get started with explaining all of this, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the vehicle right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to turn it on. But the thing that you have to do is you have to look towards the ceiling. All right, so once you get towards the ceiling, you'll see that there are controls right here. All right, you see there are controls right here. And these lights are right here. Sometimes you have cars where you can press on the light right there and it turns it on, but not in this case. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the reading light. And so you turn on the reading lights by, you see this symbol right here? I'm going to go ahead and press that. You see it turns on the reading light for this side. Press it again, it turns it off. They have it for the passenger side as well. Press it, it turns on. Press it again, it turns off just like that. Now there's a button that you can press to turn on all of the lights throughout the car, for both right here and in the rear of the vehicle. There's lights back there. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you. It's this button right here. I'm going to press that. See those lights turned on, as well as back there. The lights turn on. All right, now to turn them off, I'm going to go ahead and press this button right here. And then we have the door button. So when I open the door, the lights don't turn on, or they do turn on. But to make it so they don't turn off, I'm going to press this button. See, that one's lit up. And now watch when I open the door. Open the door, and then look, the lights do not turn on. So I'm going to shut the door and then come back up here. And I'm going to press this to where this light right here is off right here. Press that. And now watch what happens when I open the door. Look at the lights come on. And then when I shut the door, watch, the lights will go off just like that. All right, and so that's how you turn on and off the ceiling lights inside of this particular Ford Bronco. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.